Welcome to the Daily App Show. Today we have an application for your Android device called Do Battery Saver. Open up Do Battery Saver, and it's going to bring us into the menu of the charge, being that our device is plugged in. If our device was not plugged in, it would bring us into the battery and show us the current battery discharge rate. Now we have our charge time left, which is 22 minutes. Now if my device was unplugged, it would show me my actual device remaining time, letting me know how much time is left on the battery. And then down below you see we have our temperature, voltage, and the technology. We have a lithium-ion battery. Our current voltage is 4.322 volts, and the temperature is 98 degrees on the battery. Now what I want to do is tap Optimize. Tapping Optimize is going to scan for any running apps, and it's going to see if it needs to do anything to change my battery's condition. Now you see time left 13 hours 42 minutes. That's if I unplug my device. I'm actually going to be able to achieve that battery life by using Do Speed Booster. Notice that there are some advanced saving options, and it gives me some suggestions down here, such as changing my screen timeout, and then I can go ahead and share all this information with my friends on social media. We'll tap Finish, and what we're going to do now is come into the Saver tab, and here are different saver modes. Now, the actual battery area we're doing Optimize, I have to do that every time I want to do it. The saver, if I set these different modes or profiles, it will automatically adjust all of the battery saving features on my device for that best suited purpose. Now, if I just want a general usage for my screen call times, I'll go ahead and tap Apply. It's going to change my screen brightness, and it's changed the profile. So this is mainly going to be used for calls, text message, mobile data, and then Wi-Fi is going to be turned off. Now if I want a My Mode, I'll go ahead and apply, and everything's going to be turned back on. My screen brightness has been increased, and everything is going to automatically turn itself back on. Now I can also add an own mode. We'll tap Add Mode, and here I can customize everything down to the details of screen brightness, the timeout, vibrations, Wi-Fi on or off, Bluetooth, my data, syncing, and then the haptic feedback such as the vibrations when you tap on the screen. I can customize all of these and have my own custom battery saver mode. I'll go ahead and cancel out of here. Now what we're going to do is come into the charge. Here it's going to give me my battery health based upon my current charging status. Now I can see I'm currently charging and plugged into USB, and 22 minutes remaining until my full charge. And then it's also giving me my fast charge is finished. It's going my full charge. And then once it does the full charge, it will trickle charge. My monitor tab is going to load in statistical data based upon my apps that have been running the most, that have been using most of my battery. And I can go ahead and swipe through here and even stop those apps from running. Now coming back out to the main menu, what we're going to do is tap in the top right hand corner on the profile button. This is going to open up the side menu. I can see my device's name and any achievements I've done. Do I have a healthy charge? Do I have smart features? And do I have battery skins? Now if I tap on the settings in the top right hand corner, I can change some of the settings such as switches. If I tap on the switches, I can choose what I want to have switched on or off, and I can turn these different things on or off, and it'll even open up some of the settings menus for me where I can turn them on or turn them off. I have my protection lists. These are going to give me the protected lists. As I can see these, and I can go ahead and check them off on my protection list. And if I tap the plus button, I can even add them to my protection list so it doesn't close them out if I have them open. I have Do Not Disturb settings, which I can set up at Do Not Disturb, so I will not be alerted during these periods of time. Go ahead and set that up. I have reminders where I can be reminded for charging complete, and also auto open when charging. I have my low power reminders, my mode switcher reminders. I have a battery skin, which I can change the way the battery looks upon the main menu. Also tapping on the battery from that main menu will bring us into here where we can change the skin. We have a power indicator, which is up in the top left-hand corner next to the AT&T. And if I even swipe down my notification, you see I have a notification for Battery Saver letting me know some of the main statistics such as my charging left time or my discharge, and also my battery percentage and temperature. And then I have some status settings such as screensaver, temperature unit, sleep mode, create an optimized shortcut, and then some tips down below. And with Do Battery Saver, what I can also do is come into my widgets section, and there are plenty of widgets for me to add out there onto my home screen, such as the battery saver, and some quick toggles. So once again, this application is called Do Battery Saver. If you like it, be sure and pick it up in the Google Play Store today.